Have you ever hesitated to take off your shoes in public? Do you avoid sandals, swimming pools, or even intimate situations because of thick, yellow, brittle nails? If this sounds familiar, you're not alone. Toenail fungus affects millions of people, and it's not just a cosmetic issue, it gets worse over time. If left untreated, it can spread, become painful, and even cause permanent nail damage. I had tried expensive creams, messy home remedies, and even prescription treatments that took months but still didn't work. At some point, I just accepted the idea that I would always have ugly toenails. But then, I discovered a simple yet incredibly powerful antifungal shower routine that attacks the fungus right at the source, and everything changed. This method is like an express antifungal shower, a super simple 5-minute daily ritual that targets the fungus exactly where it hides. The best part? The scientifically backed, incredibly easy to do, and delivers fast, visible results. In fact, this method is so shockingly effective that I'm still amazed by how well it works, and that's exactly why I had to share it with you. To guide you step by step through the process and give you all the essential details, I've added the link to a complete, in-depth video tutorial in the video description and in the first pinned comment. Don't miss it. This detailed video tutorial will walk you through every step, showing you exactly what to do. Click the link in the description and the first pinned comment to watch it now. If you're tired of hiding your feet and want a real solution that actually works, this is your chance to take action. Don't let it slip away.